How do you make a 10 by 10 bedroom feel bigger? What's the secret to the perfect bedroom layout? Can a small bedroom really be stylish and functional? Well, today, we're gonna find out. Designing a small bedroom can be kind of tricky because how do you balance style, storage, and comfort in such a compact space? In today's video, I'll show you the most common mistakes people make in a 10 by 10 bedroom and how to fix them. Before we dive in, I really want to make this happen. Is it possible to get this video to 200 likes? I know it's a lot to ask, but I think we can do it. So if you're feeling generous with that like button today, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget, we do have a 7-day free trial where you can unlock all of our amazing design tools. And other than that, let's get started. All right, so first up, we have poor space utilization. If your bed is pushed up against the wall next to the door and your desk is kind of crammed in awkwardly, you might not be making the most of your space. And this setup also just makes the room feel closed off and it disrupts the flow. Moving the bed to the opposite corner improves the layout a lot. Now the desk can sit by the window for natural light and there's enough space for the dresser and a full-length mirror. Plus, the room just feels more open. Next up, we have a poor arrangement of two beds. If you have two single beds placed perpendicular to each other, one of them is probably gonna end up being too close to the door without enough space for a nightstand, and this setup just feels cramped and unbalanced. Plus, whoever is sleeping on this bed might have to smell someone's stinky feet, and we don't want that. This already feels so much better. Just placing the beds in the same direction away from the door, it just creates a much better flow. Now both beds can also share a nightstand, and the full-length mirror isn't facing either of the beds, which is bad feng shui. So it gives it a more practical and polished look. All right, let's talk about overcrowded walkways. Placing the bed too close to the door creates a narrow, awkward walking path, making it feel like you're zigzagging through the room. Moving the bed against the opposite wall opens up more floor space, and now there's a comfortable walkway, the desk can sit by the window, and the layout just feels more spacious and functional. Next up is bad bed placement. If you place a double bed against the same side as the door, that means there's only enough room for one nightstand. Centering the bed on a different wall allows you to have nightstands on either side, plus then you can have a dresser directly across from the bed, which makes it easier to add a TV if you want. The zigzag flow, this is my least favorite. Placing the bed in the corner across from the door can create a really cramped zigzag walking path, and it makes the room feel smaller and less organized. Also, just as a personal side note, I hate when doors open directly into a bed. It's scary. Just moving the bed to the opposite wall improves the room's natural flow. Now there's a clear path from the door and the dresser faces the bed, which gives it a more balanced look. And finally, we have poor attention to the door. Placing the bed immediately in front of the door makes the space feel closed off and cramped, plus it's hard to fit two nightstands when the door is in the way. So centering the bed on the wall opposite the door creates better symmetry. Now both sides of the bed have space for a nightstand and the flow of the room just feels much more natural. Also, don't be afraid to put things in front of a window. I think a lot of people want to keep windows completely clear, but that's a lot of space that you could be utilizing in your design. Okay, I know that was a lot, so let me do a quick little recap. Maximize your space by placing the bed in the best possible position. Avoid overcrowding the walkway. Leave enough room to move comfortably. Keep a balanced flow by placing furniture thoughtfully. And always consider how the door placement impacts the layout. Now it's your turn. If you want, send us your floor plans on Instagram with the note from YouTube, and maybe we'll feature it in a future video. Let us know in the comments which room we should design next, and don't forget about that 7-day pro membership trial. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.